Hello, I am an alpaca today. All right, let's take a look at this one. Comparing rates. So we talked about unit rates. You divide everything until there's a one on the bottom. That gives you a nice unit rate. So if you want to compare rates, you really want to get a unit rate. And this is gonna kind of show you why that's important. So let's take a look at this. Katie and Sunny have fish tanks that are leaking water. After 15 minutes, Katie's tank has leaked 4/3 of a gallon of water. And after 20 minutes, Sunny's tank has leaked 3/4 of a gallon of water. Who's going faster? So this is 15 minutes per, it's 4/3 of a gallon per 15 minutes. And this is 3/4 of a gallon per 20 minutes. So how do we get that into a unit rate? We could divide 3/4 divided by 20 would give us the amount in 1 minute, and 4/3 divided by 15 would give us the amount in 1 minute. Okay, but luckily they have this nice little thing here. So if I did 1 minute, then Katie's going 0.09 gallons per 1 minute, and Sunny's doing 0.4 gallons per 0.04 gallons per 1 minute. But our question here wants us in gallons per hour for Katie's tank. So I can just drag this to 60. I would multiply by 60, but this is easier. Get it to 60. Come on, 60. Oh, 59. Come on, 60. There. So Katie's tank is 5.33 gallons per 1 hour. So that would be this one. It looks like a division problem because it's very related to it, but it's a ratio. There's a slight difference, but if you just remember that it's division, that's fine. So in this example, the units were the same. You were comparing gallons of water leaked per hour of two different pools. What if the units were different? So now we're leaking a quarter cup per minute, and this one is leaking a half a gallon per hour. So we got cups and minutes, and we got gallons per hours. So we've got to convert everything so they're all the same. This thing here converts. So notice we've got cups and pints and quarts and gallons. So 1 pint is 2 cups. So basically, a cup divided by 2 gives us a pint, and then we take the pint divided by 2 gives us the quarts, and then the quarts divided by 4 gives us the gallons, right? So we want to put this right here, right? To compare the rates, you first need to convert the red container's rate from gallons per hours to cups per minute. Start by setting the gallons to a half a gallon, then fill in the blanks. So a half a gallon is equal to 2 quarts. And then 2 quarts is equal to 4 pints. And then 4 pints is equal to 8 cups. So we converted everything to the same unit that way. Right? Rates are that way. They're funky, but you got to convert them to be the same to compare them. So Katie and Sunny fix the leaks in their tanks. They decide to relax by reading at the poolside. Katie reads a rate of 3/4 of a page per 2/3 of a minute. Sunny reads a rate of 18 pages per 1/4 hour. Who reads faster? So we need to get it either in minutes or in hours. So we can convert to minutes or to hours. So I'm going to grab this, and here's my minutes. Katie reads 1.2125 pages per minute. Sunny reads 1.2 pages per minute. Who's reading faster? And they're proportional. So if I change it to 60 minutes, which would be an hour, then Katie's reading 67.5 pages, and Sunny's reading 72 pages. So we can compare them when they have them at the same rate. Okay, so how fast does Katie read as a unit rate? Katie was per minute. Go back up to that 1 minute thing, and it was 1.125. Oh no, this is 0.125. Cool. All right, so remember, in order to compare measures, they must be the same unit. Comparing rates is easiest when they're written as unit rates. Multiply or divide two rates by the same number does not change whether one rate is greater or less than the other. Okay, so whether it's minutes or hours or whatever, they're still comparable as long as they're the same units. All right.